Imagine leaving your house with no phone, no wallet, no smartwatch, just this.
Welcome to the real spot, where the real start. Hit play, lean back, let the good vibes roll.
Smart rings are exactly what they sound like. Tiny wearable computers sitting right on your finger, but don't let the size fool you. Inside these rings are sensors, chips, and AI tech powerful enough to replace multiple devices, my friends. Here's where things get crazy. Smart rings can track your heart rate, sleep, stress, oxygen levels, activity, even body temperature. Now, and because it's on your finger, the readings are more accurate than smartwatches. Now, let's talk real world power. You can pay for things, unlock your door, start your car, log into devices, all from a flick of your finger. No phone, no card, no keys. But the future isn't tapping, it's gestures. Imagine controlling your TV like this. Finger, swipe in the air, TV response, adjust volume, answering calls, scrolling apps, all without touching a screen. Now tell me if that don't feel nice. Here's how we know this is serious. Big tech going all in. They say smart rings are the next evolution after smartphones. Smaller, more personal, I would say, and always on you, just like your wedding ring. Now, let's be real. Are smart rings replacing phones tomorrow? No! But they're becoming the control center for your digital life. The phone, they become the hub, but the ring becomes the remote. And I kind of like that. So, the question isn't, are smart rings cool? The real question is, are you ready to live without your phone? Okay, so if you're hyped for the future of tech, subscribe to The Real Spot, because the next episode, AI glasses are about to change reality forever. See you next week.
Welcome to the real spot, where the real start. Hit play, lean back.